Everyone, guys. Okay, slowly we'll start our session. See, in your last session, we completed. Give me 1 minute. Yes, coming. Give me 1 minute. Right. See, in our last session, guys, slowly we started, basic fundamental of our Python programming language, and we'll come back with these topics one by one. The next we started the basic Pythons in our Python. The first one is a print function, second one is input function, third one is type function, and fourth one is ID. Okay, these are the functions we saw in our last session. See, print function used to print the values, print the output in our console. Type function to know the data type of given variable value. The next, then ID function is what? To know the address of given variable. The next input function is to give input to our program. This function, very basic level function, Visa. The next one, Python introduction. So in that introduction, so here, what is the Python and purpose of Python we discussed. Here, Python is a open source, high level, dynamic, object oriented programming language. And Python is a general purpose programming language. Means what? By using Python, we are developing all type of softwares, guys. Right? That is the main purpose of our Python programming language. The next one is Python developed by Guido van Rossum. And actually, his journey started in the year of 1986, but officially came into the market in 1991, sir. The next, we saw the purpose of Python programming language, right? So Python used to developing our application like standalone application, web-based application, data analytics, system application, and okay, external application also. The next we saw the features of Python. We'll see one by one. Okay, today we'll go with what are the features of Python, sir? Features of Pythons. See, guys, features means what? I'll tell you one mass example. You will get more clarity. Suppose, with you, today you have a, black and white mobile, sir. And that mobile having a only two functionality, calling and SMS. And one of the our friend taken Android phones. See, when you so before going to purchasing Android phone, here we can see what are the features. Means Android phone having a back cam, front cam, back end cam, and it can play the audio, video. These are the extra features, and that phone contain storage capacity also. In the same way, before going to learning any programming language, what are the characteristics? So if I learn Python programming language, what are the advantages I am getting? That is very, very important. Now, simply, okay, this is what our futures concept. Then the first one is nothing but a easy to, okay, easy to learn, sir. Easy to learn. Easy to learn. So the word is what? How easy to learn. Guys, already I told you. Means, okay, we are learning programming language is not, we are not learning any, any other, other language. Simple, we are learning English only. So easy to learn, and I'm going to using one more word is what? Easy to read. Means, simple, Python having a simple syntax. Simple syntax, sir. Simple syntax. Okay, it is a similar to English language. So if we have a capability reading English statements, in the same way we can read the English statements. English statement. Are you understand? That's why easy to learn. Easy to learn. The first feature. The second feature is nothing but it is a high level language. High level, high level language, guys. High level language. High level language. No, sir, second feature. I am coming with third feature. Third feature is a interpreted language, sir. Interpreted language. Interpreted language. Interpreted language. Okay, means a code can execute a line by line, line by line. Then what we call is a interpreted language. High level means what? Most of the instruction we are going to writing with English code only. Then what we call high level. High level. So simple thing, we can easily manage the memory concepts also. The next one, interpreted. Interpreted means, okay, okay, not required to require the compiler, sir. Directly code run with a Python virtual machine, means line by line, line by line. The next concept is what? A dynamic programming language. Dynamic programming language. Dynamic means what? Okay, it can take memory at runtime. At runtime. So first one is high level. First one is high level. Second one is interpreted. Third one is dynamic programming language. The next one, sir, very, very important, portable. Portable and platform independent programming language. Dependent programming language, sir. Platform independent programming language. So, guys, understand here I am going to highlighting few things here. Okay, high level and interpreted and dynamic and platform portable programming language. So these all are things now I am going to prove it practically here. Please understand. Suppose, guys, understand. Yesterday someone asked me, okay, about Python virtual machine. Okay, now I am going to highlighting here, sir, one by one. Suppose, then how, what is a dynamic and what is the platform independent? Okay, what is the high level? We'll see one by one. Suppose, imagine, guys. So this is here I given one code. Suppose a.py file. Sir, a.py file is just I given some Python code. In that a.py file, I given completely high level language, means my instruction given by using the English language. Then simply what we call it is nothing but a source code, sir. What we call it is a source code. Source code means, we given the code with a high level. High level is nothing but a high level language. High level language means by using English. By using English. So high level language, who we can understand? We can understand. We can easily understand okay, this language. Now, basically, our mission means, our mission is nothing but our computer. Computer can understand here zeros are ones only. Zeros are ones. So, our high level instruction must be converted into machine level language, sir. Then how to convert? So to converting our source code into machine level language, source code into machine understandable language, and here we required one software is called Python software, guys. Here we required one software is called Python software. So Python software internally having a Python compiler and a Python virtual machine. It is having a two component PVC, Python compiler, plus a Python virtual machine, PVM. Python contain two components, sir, but okay, but PVC we can see inbuilt only, but most of the time we can see PVM only. PVM stands for Python virtual machine. Python virtual machine, guys. So what is the purpose of PVC and what is the purpose of PVM? I am coming one by one. One by one, guys. One by one. Look here. So now what I am doing? So now, by using Python will contain two things, PVC. C is a high level instruction. To converting high level instruction into low level, and internally Python software can use a one command is what, one component is what, PVC. PVC stands for Python compiler. And what it will do? Python compiler simply compile your source code, means our high level code, and this code is converted as a our Python bytecode, sir, means a dot pyc. Vyc means what is a Python compiler code. It is a compile. So pyc file is nothing but it is a byte code, sir. Byte code. Byte code means it is a intermediate code. It is not same as the source code. Even it is not same as the machine understandable language. Machine understandable language. It's a byte code. Byte code is nothing but an intermediate code. It is not same as the source code. Even it is not same as the machine understandable code. See, and this byte code, okay, generated by Python virtual machine. Then this bytecode slowly we need to convert into our machine understandable code, sir. Now here bytecode slowly converting into machine understandable code with the help of okay, one component is what, PVM. PVM stands for Python
Python virtual machine.
Python virtual
Virtual
machine.
machine.
So PVM is a Python virtual machine. And here Python virtual machine execute your code line by line, line by line. Okay, line by line. Okay, here PVM can execute your code first line, then second line, and third line, and fourth line. Like this, it can be executed. It can execute simply our bytecode slowly converting into machine understandable code. Here, machine understandable code is nothing but our zeros are ones, zeros are ones, zeros are ones. Finally, machine will give output here, sir. The output is nothing but our complete output. So simply here we are getting the output again with high level instruction. So this is the procedure. And here I am going to highlighting you what is the interpreted, what is the portability, what is the platform independent. I am coming with one by one, guys. See, Python is a high level, means most of the instruction we are going to writing with English. The first words are, it is a high level instruction. The high level slowly we are going to converting into byte code, means is a intermediate code. The byte code is not same as source, even it is not same as the machine understandable code. Now I am coming one point, sir. Suppose guys understand, and this application you are going to writing in Windows 11 operating system, sir. 11 operating system with Windows 11, and simply your Python file you compiled. Python file is a compilation is done. And after compilation Python file coming. So suppose here, this you install your Python software in Windows 11 operating system. It is nothing but a platform, sir. It is a platform, understand. It is a platform. I installed Python software in my Windows 11 and simply I generated a.py. Please don't make a noise. Already muted. Please unmute. Right. So I generated a.py file, pyc file by using Windows 11, sir. Windows 11. Now what I am doing, sir, from Windows 11, okay, this file, a.py file, pyc file I am copying and I want to run in a Mac OS, another operating system, or I can run in a Linux operating system. Linux, Linux operating system. Or you can run any other operating system, sir. Guys, wait, please don't make noise, right? Okay. Now what I am doing, sir, this a.pyc file, I am running in Mac OS. Happily, the code will be executed. Understand that the meaning is what? Okay, a.pyc file, okay, generate once, run in a, any other platform, guys. Generate only once, run in any other platform, sir. This is called a platform independent. Platform independent, sir. Means, okay, generate a.py files only once, run in any other platform. It is what platform independent. Means, a.pyc file common for Mac OS and common for Linux and common for any other operating system. This is what platform independent. Then what is the portability? Portability means what? The same a.pyc file. Okay, we are running in Mac OS and Linux. Means code is common. Code is common, but we are running in different platform. This is what we call, sir, portability. Portability. Understand. The next one, dynamic. Dynamic means what? Python programming language takes memory at runtime only, sir. Takes memory at runtime. Runtime means what? While con while converting byte code into the machine code, at that time, Python code will take the memory, takes memory at runtime, so that it is a dynamic it is a dynamic dynamic programming language. Not only Python, even Java also same. Means which program can takes a memory at runtime. Memory at runtime is called a dynamic programming language, sir. I hope you understand here. What is the first one? Portability. Okay, portability. Okay, first one, sir, portability. The next one, platform independent. Next one, sir, next one is dynamic programming language. So these are the story about this one, sir. The next feature, multi-threaded. Multi-threaded, sir. We can create sub-process also. Multi-threaded. The next feature, okay, exception handling concepts. Exception handler. So Python can support compile time errors as well as runtime errors handling support also. Handling support also. That is what exception handler. Exception handler, guys. Exception handler. Clear? So these are the beautiful features given inside the Python programming language. Clear my point? So these are the features, sir. The next one, the next topic is what? How to install the Python software. And what are the Python? How many types of versions we have? Then, okay, next ones are Python software versions. Software versions. And how to download, how to download, how to download and install Python software. How to download and install. Let us see. one by one. Guys, understand? So first I am talking about Python versions. Python versions. Basically, Python having a three versions. Python having a three versions. Three version. Python having a three versions, guys. Python having a three versions. Python having a three version. The first one is Python 1.x. The second one is Python 2.x. The current version of Python is nothing but a Python 3.x. This is what a current version of Python. Current version of Python, sir. X means what? It is having a subversions like Python 3.1.1, Python 12.9, like this. Okay, I'll show you that one. Okay, this is the current version of Python, nothing but a 3.x. Sir, how to download, how to install? So, to download our Python software, simply first you guys are visit, okay, visit the website name is what? www.python.org website. Okay, website, sir. And there you guys are select download button. Directly you can download it. And the Python software file size also 25 to 25 MB, sir. Automatically the file like this Python, 3 point, I'll show you that version 12 point something 33 dot exe. Exe means executable file will be downloaded. After downloading, just you can do double click, then next, and do finish, sir. Automatically, our Python software successfully installed into our PC. Now I'm going to showing you, sir, where we can download. Simply come to the, you guys are open any browser here, any browser, okay, and come to the Google search engine, and here you can type, sir, www.python.org. Just hit enter button. Hit enter button, sir. Now is coming. Just click on welcome to Python org. Just click on it, sir. And this is what our official website. Then what I will do? Click on download here. When you click on download, observe here, guys. Here is the showing. Python 3.14.2. This is the current version. It is the current version, sir. Python 3.14.2. Just click on this button. Automatically, downloading will be started here. Now it is going to downloading. The Python file size also 28.5 MB. Right? And after complete downloaded, so after complete the session, you guys install this software in your PC, sir. Okay, then what I will do, sir, after complete download, just go to the downloading folder. Downloading folder. Okay, and here is the file. So once you come here, just double click on it, sir. I am doing in front of you, double click on it. And it is showing like this, install Python 3.14.2 version. Sir, one thing I'm telling you, please understand. Okay, don't do directly install now. Okay, if you do like this, what happen? By default, it is taking path is what? C users admin app data. So it is look like a lengthy path, right? So don't take this path, sir. Better to install custom installation. Just click on it. And before going to clicking custom installation, here you can check this one. Second answer, add Python exe to path, sir. Just select this one. Suppose if you are not selected this one, you need to create the path for Python. So better to select here. Okay. Okay. Don't do hard work. So follow my instruction. And once you selected, just click on customize installation. And then click on next. Look here, sir. By default, is showing this is the path, right? So what I am doing, sir, don't put this lengthy path. So keep this word same to same. And after the slash, before the slash, remove this everything and better to install in C drive, sir. So directly I am going to installing in C drive. C drive, this is the folder, Python 314 folder. So if you install in C drive tomorrow, okay, this path we are going to using so many time while developing our application. Better to install C drive only and do install, and automatically your installation will be started. Now installation is going. Guys, understand? Yes. Explain you. Compiled program C and CPP. Okay. Interpreted program Python and JavaScript, sir. Compile means what? Our complete source code. Okay, directly converting into the byte code means intermediate code. Intermediate code, sir. Okay, interpreter means what? It can execute line by line, sir. Line by line. Understand? Okay, here what happens, sir? Python is a interpreted, JavaScript also interpreted. Okay, which program can execute line by line is what? Interpreted programming language. So Ubuntu by default is there. Just you can check it. Okay. Okay. By default, Ubuntu having a Python software. Just you can check yourself, sir. In Mac also by default having a Python software. Then how to check? I'll tell you there. There you can open command prompt. There you can open command prompt and then type the Python word. Okay. Now setup was successfully installed. Right? Close it. So after complete installation, array you want to check it whether the Python software installed or not. So what I will do, sir? What I will do, sir? Simply, so what I will do here, you can come. Okay, command from CMD. Just you can type the CMD. Look here, sir. Just type the CMD. CMD means command prompt. I am going to opening here. Just click on this black window. Okay, if it is installed successfully, look, sir. Here I am giving one command. The command is what? Python. And hit enter button. Automatically Python shell is coming, sir. So once you are getting this means what? Python software successfully installed. Sir, how will get confirmation? Look, sir, Python 3.14.2. This is the version. Release date also they given. Everything they given, sir. Right? And from here onwards, we can start our development. So guys, I am going to writing hello world program here, right? What I will do, print, look here, print, just I am giving the hello Python. Guys, how it is working, see. Hello Python. Hit enter button, sir. Hello Python is printed. Our first application. Suppose I want to do addition of two number directly, right, sir? Print, 10 plus 90, you can use it. Hit enter. 100 is coming. Multiplication of two number. Print 120 into two value. Look here. Array divisibility, sir. Print 120 divisible with 4. Now it is coming. I want to do some modulo. Okay, 120 percentile something 3 I am going to using modulo. 0 is coming. See guys, how the Python is very easy. But if you do this application in other programming language, you guys are write minimum 10 lines of code. That's why Python is very easy and simple programming language. Just print and we are giving the value. Right? Suppose I want to print names. Name is equal to here I am giving the Yakub. I declare the one variable. Now I want to print my name. Here I given, okay, single quote, my name is equal to, and just I given the my variable name, sir. Okay, look here. And single quote, comma, just I given the my variable. Now automatically my name is Yakub. Like this is going to printing. Yesterday we saw some statements, right? Right? So this is what we call, okay, our simple statements, guys. Okay, this is the story. Okay, how to download, how to install our Python software in your PC. Okay, then after complete it, now I am coming with one more topic, sir. Guys, today, please, after complete the session, again you can watch the video one or more time and please download and install software in your PC. No, 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 no. So we are editing the videos. Okay, no one is going to removing because yesterday you make a so many nonsense there, right? Many time I remind you. Okay, why you are switch on the video and why you are making nonsense. That's why. Okay, again we'll add the video. Don't worry about it. Okay,
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, one thing,
please.
sir.
While taking the session, don't make the noise. Okay, that
Oh,
is
okay.
my request, right?
Oh, I understood, sir. But one thing, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, you can enable the mute and audio of no active. Sir, you can enable the mute and video of no, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, yes, yes. Unmute it, everyone. Okay. Then this is what our, downloading and installation, sir. The next, slowly we'll start our main track. Main track. Now I am coming with our basic fundamentals of Python. Basic fundamental of Python, sir. Now, what are the basic fundamentals here? These are the basic things. Slowly, we are going to starting from here. Please, we are entering the main track up to here. So why, what are the future, how to download, install, everything will is completed. Then, what are the basic fundamental of Python? So if you understand this concept, you guys are expert in programming language, right? Then the first one, sir. Okay, I'm talking about a keyword, sir. Arey, what is the keyword? What is the keyword? Guys, basically, okay, in your Python, keywords are two types. The first one is a predefined keyword, second one is user-defined keyword. Now here I am talking about the predefined keyword, sir. Right? So now I am coming. So guys, okay, these, the keywords are, okay, here I am writing the keywords are reserved words. Reserved words. Reserved words. Reserved words. Okay, reserved words means, okay, means, okay, means programming language, programming language given itself, sir. Given programming language given itself. Programming language given itself. Given itself. Okay, understand these keywords. These keywords, very, very important. These keywords, okay, meaning, this keyword, meaning and purpose. Meaning and meaning and purpose not changed by the developers. Okay, this keyword purpose and meaning. This keyword purpose and meaning. Okay, this keyword, okay, meaning and purpose not changed by the programmer. Not changed by the programmer. This keyword meaning and purpose not changed by the programmer. So then, sir, what is the meaning? I won't understand. Look, sir, suppose here I am taking one example. I am going with Ashwini. See, sir, Ashwini name given by her father, right? But before given the name, okay, her father having some meaning. Today, that meaning I won't change. I don't have any rights, right? That name is fixed. The purpose, meaning also me fixed. Okay, the meaning and purpose not changed by the developer. In the same way, while developing the programming language, okay, okay, our Guido one Rusum, okay, given some keyword. One keyword is nothing but a one line code, one line statement. One line statement, guys. So that the keyword purpose and meaning not changed by the Python developer. Now, sir, Python having a 35 keywords. 35 keywords. Now I will show you one by one. Don't worry about it. But the count is not fixed. So once version is going to upgrading. Okay, sometime the new keyword will be added. Sometime we can remove also. And one more points are here. Note. Okay, note, note. I'll take that later, sir. Note. And now I am coming this keyword, sir. Then, sir, where we can see all the keyword. Now I am going to showing you. Guys, after complete installation of our software, okay, Python can open two ways within the console, within the IDE also. Now I am going to showing the IDE. Just you can, come here and, in search box, you can type IDLE, 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 or you can type Python IDLE. So this is what our Python IDLE. Just click on it automatically. Our Python, okay, graphical user interface mode window can be displayed. Here also we can write the Python code, right? So now what I am doing, sir, here I am going to import, okay, import a keyword, import a keyword, sir. The next, I am going to display the all the keywords, sir. Import a keyword. And next, use a keyword dot list, sir. Sorry, give me one. Give me 1 minute. KW list, I think. Dot KW list. So these are the keywords, guys. Look here. So these are the keywords. See, guys, these keywords given by Python programming language itself. So the keyword purpose and meaning not changed by developer, sir. Look here. What is the first keyword? False, none, true, and, as, asset, async, await, break, class, count. Okay, sorry, continue, def, del, delete, if, else, except, finally, for, from, global, if, import, in, is, lambda, non-local, not, or, pass, raise, return, try, while, with, and yield. So these all are the predefined keywords. So guys, tomorrow onwards, while writing the program, we are writing one statement means what? Internally, we are going to using the one keyword. One keyword. So you guys are must be remember this all the keywords, sir. Without this keyword, there is no Python statement. There is no Python statement. Again, I am repeating you, sir. All the keywords are very, very important. Tomorrow, definitely, I will ask you, please remind this keyword, sir. But observe one thing. From all these keywords, sir, except three means false, none, and true. These keywords are starting with uppercase letter. Remaining all are the lowercase letters, sir. So remember, so by default, all the keywords names are in lowercase letters only. Reason I will tell you why I'm highlighting again and again. All the keywords are given in lowercase letter. Here, no, sir. All keywords, okay, all keywords are in what? Lower case letters. Lower case letters, except, okay, very, very important, except which one? True, okay, false, and one, and none, sir, and none, and none. So this is what our keyword story. But these are the reserved keywords. Fix your brain. Okay. The next topic is what user defined keywords, sir. User defined keywords. User defined keywords. Simply we can call identifiers, sir. Okay, identifiers. This is very powerful concept. See guys, while developing application, every time we are not going to using predefined keywords. Sometimes developer also give some keyword names. Means, while writing the program, I want to give, so we are giving variable names, class names, method names, function names, and module name. So developer also giving some keywords. Such kind of keywords are nothing but a user defined keywords. But in programming terminology, what we call these are the identifiers. Identifier means what? Okay, while writing the Python code, Python code, class name, variable name, some entity names also we are giving from user. Those are the identifiers. Right? Right? Identifiers are nothing but a sometime. Programmer also giving some entity names like variable names, class names, method names, function names, and a module name. These all are called user-defined identifiers. But blindly don't use, my friends. Okay, before going to giving identifier names, we must follow the 5 rules. We must follow the 5 rules, sir. Super. Okay, Hemalata, given names given to variable classes method function is what user-defined identifier names. But blindly don't use, sir. Okay, every identifier having some rules. Based on that rule, we are going to declaring. Right? Now, sir, what are the rule? What are the rule? I am coming with one by one. Okay, clearly. Guys, first point. Okay, when you define the identifier, okay, identifier name, we can use a uppercase word means A to Z, lowercase word from small a to Z, and we can use a we can use a underscore. Underscores also eligible. Underscores also eligible, sir. Look here. First rule. Identifier can be combination of letters in a lowercase a to Z or uppercase a to Z or digit 0 to 9, or we can use underscore. First rule. The second rule, sir, an identifier cannot start with digit. So when you declare variable name, the variable name don't start with a number, sir. If you try to do like this, automatically it will give the compile time error. The next one, keyword name cannot be used as a identifier name. Just now I told you keyword names like if, else if, try, except. Okay, these keywords don't use as a identifier name because of those are the predefined. You don't have a right to change that meaning. The next one, we cannot use special symbol like at the rate, hashing. These are the symbols not going to using in identifier. And the length is any, sir. From India to Pakistan, you can use it, no issue. Okay, but better to use small length. Name, beautiful. Roll number, beautiful. Employee ID, beautiful. Employee name, beautiful. But don't use employee. Okay, that is not valid. So when you use identifier name, give the user understandable name, sir. So this is the story about our identifiers, sir. Slowly, I am giving this content. Okay, guys. After complete the session, please sit at least 1 hour or 30 minutes and make a notes. Notes is very very important, right? This is what identifier story. Now I am giving some example. You will get more clarity, sir. Coming to the pen, some example. Example for identifiers. Okay, you will get more clarity. See, what is the first rule? Okay, suppose now I am declaring the variable name, sir. Okay, here roll number is equal to 120. Now tell me, sir, is it valid declaration or invalid declaration? Need your response, sir. Valid one.
Valid, sir.
It's a
Because of
valid
we can
declaration.
use all are lowercase, all are uppercase. Okay, anything we can write it. Right? Now I am giving, roll again number is equal to something 10. Again, it is also valid declaration. Because of we can use uppercase, lowercase also. Roll number. Suppose, I am giving, my underscore name is equal to, here I given the Yakub. See, underscore is applicable. So this one is what? Again, it is also valid declaration, sir. Valid declaration. Now I am coming, sir. Underscore, first name. Again, underscore, first name, sir. Like this I given. Like this I given, sir. Okay, it is this one also valid, but Python it is nothing but a private variable, sir. So I am not going to using this underscore. I am removing. Okay, first name underscore. I am giving the CareerIT. CareerIT. Like this I given, sir. Even this one also valid declaration. What we call valid declaration. It is also valid declaration. Now coming. Now, the next one, okay, my name 123 is equal to, here I given like this, again I am giving the CareerIT. CareerIT.
It is also valid,
Even
sir.
this one also valid one, sir. Because of I given, first started with alphabet, later I use 1, 2, 3. Later I used 1, 2, 3. It is even this one also valid one, sir. Valid one. Valid one. Right? Now I am coming, sir. Sub coming. First operation. Now 1, 2, 3 name is equal to, suppose I given the size, sir. Now
It is
this
not
is
valid, sir.
is it valid or invalid?
Invalid, sir.
Invalid. Reason is what? Okay, variable name or method
Digits
name
are
don't
first.
start with digit.
Number.
Digit. So invalid. The next one, sir. If is nothing but a keyword. In keyword, I given the 20 values, sir. Now, this one also
Not valid.
invalid one. Invalid because of keyword names don't use as a user defined identifier names. But one thing, if is equal to 40 I given, sir. Look here, this is nothing but a valid one. Reason is what? All keyword names, all keyword, all keyword names,
Lowercase.
okay, all keyword names are in lowercase word. Lowercase words, lowercase word. So if is what? Uppercase word. So that's why it's a valid. Suppose, while, okay, I'm giving one more keyword, sir. One more, def is a keyword. Def is equal to, suppose I given the 50. Again, it is
Invalid.
nothing but a
Invalid.
invalid one. Reason is what? Keyword name I used. But if you use def is equal to 90, then what we call, sir? This is
Valid.
what? Valid one. What we call, say, it is a valid one. Are you following me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, are you following me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, next one, sir. The next condition is what? Identifier, in identifier, don't use any special character, right? So, at the rate, suppose, roll number, I given this symbol, sir, this symbol I given. Then I given the 50. Again, it is nothing but a invalid.
Invalid.
Invalid,
Because
sir.
of don't use any special. Again, my space name I given, sir. Space also
Invalid.
not allowed. Okay. The name is what? Valli. Like this I given, sir.
Invalid.
No, automatically it is nothing but a invalid one. Invalid one. The next last one, my friends. As a variable name, you can use like this also. Like just I given the 10. But don't use, lengthy names are simple, x is equal to 10. It's look like a beautiful, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the declaration of our variable, my friends. Clear? So you must be remember this all the rules and regulations while you are going to working in your program. Clear? So this is the story about our predefined
Yes,
keywords.
sir.
The next one user defined keywords, sir. Sir, slowly we started our learning. So please focus. Okay, you will get more clarity. Okay, and come to the session regularly. Okay, definitely you will change. Okay, you guys are expert in code. Okay, I will make you. There is no doubt in that, right? Today we come to keywords and identifiers. Slowly tomorrow we can go with data types and variable topics. One by one we'll see. Okay. And thank you and have a nice day. And if you have any question, now you can ask me, sir. But while taking the session, don't make the noise. Right? Okay, sir. Good night.
Sir, I have a small doubt, sir.
Yes, ask me. I'll clarify.
Sir, we can learn the algorithms and flowchart in Python.
We'll learn. Okay. Let me finish this basic things first. Okay, later we can learn that. Okay, na? We'll go one by one here. Okay.
Okay, sir. But for confirmation, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Your valuable response and love you all also.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah, hi sir. Can
Yes.
we get this runtime note to note?